So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to download your Etsy personal information here through Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, go to the top right, press on your account, then press on view your profile, and then press on edit public profile. Once you're here, go press on the ePrivacy tab right here. Then a couple options down, it'll say download data, download a zip file of your Etsy personal information provided in both CSV and JSON file formats. So if you go ahead and press on request your data for download, you'll be able to download your data this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to download your Etsy personal information on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.